First, I just want to say that the dimensions of the chimney are 18 by 30. So these boards are 20 by 30. So we're using the whole length of the board. We're going to score the board 2 inches in and fold the flap over, and we'll do that to 4 boards and connect them together. And that's what I'll be doing to all 4 boards. Now I have my 18 by 30. Once all my boards have been scored and the scored edges are in place, what I do next is the one scored edge, I lay a whole flat edge to it, like this, and the straights or the longer side goes onto the flap, and it will be like this. And this is in keeping the 18 by 18 measurements. So what I do is I take my hot glue and I just glue down the sides here, and just make sure that the boards are as even as possible while the glue is still soft, and that your boards are even, so when it stands up on the floor you won't have a lopsided box, and it should look like this, nice and even on the sides and even across the top. And you know, and would also find out that all boards are not perfectly even either, so you get a little it'll tend to be a little uneven here, but it's not much of a difference once you put it all together. There we go. And so I'll be doing that with all 4 sides of my chimney. Here is where I apply glue to give the box some type of hold so that it's not as flexible as you saw a few minutes ago. I went back and reapplied an extra coat of the glue once it dried. This is to help give the box its shape and form. And this is the result of that. These pieces here are corner support pieces where I cut out little niches to fit over top of the 2-inch flap. Alright guys, so I've already cut out my 20 by 20 piece to cover the top. Now that the bottom is done and the inside is the cutout for the inside is 4 inches in around. So I'm going to lay that flat on my board here. And I'm going to line up the edges and I'm going to glue them in place. And I'm going to do it this way instead of doing it from the top. These are the cutouts from the other chimney stack. So I just thought I would recycle these pieces and make it work or happen from there. Now this right here, these are a little shorter, as you can see. See how this is thicker at the top and this is thin? So I'm just gonna go thin, thick, thin, thick. So, but if you want me to show you how I make the snow, all I did was take a scrap piece of board and I just drew my little droops on it, my little snow slides or whatever you want to call it. I don't know what the heck to call it. Like that. And just, like I said, use a sharp blade to cut them out. So, now that we have this much of our chimney stack done, now it's time to cut out the bricks. And I'm using all my spare pieces. Alright guys, so this is what I have done so far. I have to cut out more bricks, which you've already seen how I do that. So I'm going to move forward and do that. In the meantime, I would like to say, for those of you who are new to my channel, come on in. Thank you for stopping by. And for my viewers who are always there, hi guys, it's good to see you. I hope that everyone is in a safe place and a safe space. And guys, I also wanted to say that this video is a request. So I hope the ones who have requested this video, that this is being helpful for you. And so let's move forward. Alright guys, so this is how I make my bricks, and I'll be doing this to the other 3 sides, and when I'm finished with that, I'll come back so that we can begin the rest of the embellishments. And this is what we have going on. So far so good. It looks good guys. I like the way this turns out. Here is where we will take the snow stencils and apply the glue and glitter mixture. Alright guys, so this is what my the top of my rooftop stack edge is looking like. And now we are going to paint this bad boy up. This is what the snow stencils are looking like. Alright, I have my paint in the tray, and I have plastic on it guys because I didn't rinse my tray out the last time I used it for the fireplace, so I just put the clear plastic on, which I probably should have did the first time, so that way it'll be an easy cleanup. And like I said, you saw me do this in the last video. So what I'm going to do is finish painting, and I'll come back and show you how I put the caps on again, or the stencils, the snow stencils. All right guys, now to install the snow stencils. And here guys, I am making sure that the end corners of my stencils where they meet are glued also. And once I have completed putting on all of my snow stencils, here is the final result guys. I think it turned out really nice, guys. I like the iridescent glitter on the snow stencils. Which one do you like? The white glitter or the iridescent glitter on the stencils? Right here you see I could have put a little more or another layer of the glitter glue mixture, but other than that, it looks great, guys. So if you like how this rooftop chimney stack turned out, guys, let me know in the comments below. Also, again, give me a thumbs up for a like. If you're new to my channel, come on in, subscribe, then tap that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know, guys. And here they are together. These rooftop chimney stacks turned out great, guys. They really did. Hey guys, these rooftop chimneys can also be substituted for Christmas trees. You can put your gifts around the sides of the chimneys, and you could also put gifts inside. Have them overflowing. Again, guys, if you like the content that I put out today, let me know in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next DIY video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.